Have you ever used a product and thought, this is great, but I wish it did this? Or maybe you've noticed a gap in the market, a product or service you'd love to use but simply can't find. That's the spark that ignites innovation. As product managers, our job is to uncover those unmet needs and market gaps, transforming them into opportunities for creating products that not only meet, but exceed customer expectations. That's the key to building products that truly resonate with users and stand out from the crowd. How do you achieve this? By the end of this video, you'll be able to list methods for gathering customer feedback and conducting market research. Most importantly, you'll be able to use strategies for uncovering unmet needs by identifying potential areas for improvement or innovation with a product or market scenario. Your customers are a treasure trove of insights. They're the ones using your product day in and day out, experiencing its strengths and weaknesses firsthand. Pay close attention to their feedback through various channels: surveys, reviews on app stores or websites, social media comments, and even direct interactions with your customer support team. What are they praising about your product or similar ones? What are their pain points and frustrations? Are there features they're requesting or problems they're encountering? By actively listening, you gain direct access to their unmet needs and desires. However, it's important to remember that not all feedback is created equal. Some customers might be more vocal than others, and some might have specific agendas. The challenge lies in sifting through the noise and identifying the underlying patterns and trends. Look for recurring themes and prioritize feedback that aligns with your product vision and target audience. Don't rely solely on what your existing customers are telling you. It's crucial to go beyond your current user base and conduct comprehensive market research to gather data about the broader market and potential customer segments. This might involve surveys, interviews, focus groups, or analyzing industry reports, trends, and even social media conversations. Keep a close eye on your competition. Regularly assess their products, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, and look for areas where they might be falling short. By understanding the competitive landscape, you can identify opportunities to differentiate your product and offer something truly unique and valuable to customers. But competitive analysis isn't about copying your rivals. It's about learning from them and finding ways to outperform them. Look for gaps in their offerings, areas where they're not meeting customer needs, or opportunities to innovate and improve upon existing solutions. Here's an example. A popular PC game reigned supreme, dominating the market when a competitor saw an opportunity. The competitor offered better terms for developers, luring them and gamers with exclusive titles. This forced the original PC gaming company to adapt, benefiting everyone in the industry. The challenge of competitive analysis? The competitive landscape can change rapidly. New competitors can emerge, and existing ones can pivot their strategies. That's why competitor analysis should be a regular activity that the whole organization engages in. Sometimes, the most valuable insights come not from what customers say, but from what they do. By observing their behavior, you can uncover hidden opportunities and unmet needs. This could involve analyzing how they use your product, tracking their online interactions, or conducting user testing to see how they interact with prototypes or new features. Look for patterns in their behavior. Identify pain points or areas of friction, and consider how your product could address these issues. Observing customer behavior can be challenging, as it requires careful data collection and analysis. However, the insights gained can be incredibly powerful, revealing opportunities for innovation that you might not have discovered otherwise. It's also a common practice for product managers to obtain information from third-party sources, such as published reports, commercial databases, websites, and agencies. Remember, though, it's important that research methods such as these should come from a trusted or valid source. Inspiration can also strike from the most unexpected places. Don't limit your focus to your immediate industry. Look at trends in other sectors, technological advancements, and even societal shifts. These can spark new ideas and lead to innovative solutions that address unmet needs in your own market. Uncovering unmet needs and market gaps is an ongoing process that requires a multifaceted approach. By actively listening to your customers, conducting thorough market research, analyzing your competitors, observing customer behavior, and looking beyond your industry, you'll be well equipped to identify opportunities, anticipate customer needs, and create products that truly stand out in the marketplace. The most successful products often solve problems that customers didn't even know they had. So keep your eyes and ears open, stay curious, and never stop exploring the vast landscape of possibilities. By proactively seeking out unmet needs, you can position yourself and your products for long-term success.